Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about choose to reuse in order to save the earth. I'm going to give you some small tips and tricks in order to reduce waste and how to reuse things. So let's start with bringing your own coffee cups. A lot of us like to go to Starbucks or Pacific Coffee, but we use the takeaway cups. Instead of those, let's invest in a thermal mug. Not only do these keep your coffee cold or hot, they are also reusable and you can just get refills at Starbucks or Pacific Coffee rather than having to get a throwaway cup every time. Next, shopping at the supermarket. Let's start with buying cleaning products. First of all, always bring your own bag when you go to the supermarket. And then when you buy things, instead of getting these plastic containers, it's better to get these things that have these disposable, reusable stuff in it. So these actually cause a lot less plastic waste. You can see these items available in a lot of different options, like don't get the big bottles, get these refillable options instead. These create less waste than the huge plastic bottles. Cleaning products. We all like to use disinfectant wipes a lot, especially with the current scenario of COVID. It's actually better to use these sponge cloths and then use the disinfectant sprays to wipe down things. Also, instead of getting plastic things, it's better to get cardboard because cardboard is easier to recycle rather than plastic things. Buying food. You will see a lot of these plastic egg containers available everywhere, but instead of getting these, try to get the cardboard ones. As I said, cardboard is easier to recycle rather than the plastic. And you can see there are a lot of cardboard options available for eggs as well as other items. Drinks. Plastic bottles create a lot of waste and we all know that. Rather than buying these, let's buy the cardboard bottles, the big ones, and you can just fill it into your own cups or into your own bottles and take those everywhere you want. Next, water. We also like to get water bottles when we go outside. Instead of doing that, buy a bigger bottle like these big bottle options and fill up your own bottles at home to take out. These would save you a lot of small plastic bottle waste. Then there is oil. We all like to get these plastic bottles for oil, but you must know that there are also glass bottles available for these. So instead of choosing for plastic, it's better to choose for the glass bottle options because these are easier to recycle and retake. Then there are all these small snack packaging that we use to give kids to take to school. Rather than those, it's better to get a big family pack like these available instead of the small packaging. We can get a massive family pack and then divide these into individual containers for our children to take into school. So you can use these small recyclable containers, fill them up. These are also available in the supermarket and you can reuse them multiple times after washing them. And you can just give your children snacks in these. You can see that there are a lot of sizes available, so you're not short on options. Buying utensils. So instead of buying plastic cups, always opt for the paper option. As I said, paper is easier to recycle. Of course, it's much better to use your own glasses, but if you do need these, buy the paper ones. And try not to buy plastic cutlery sets. These are very bad for the environment. And even for chopsticks, it's better to buy the ones that we can reuse rather than the wooden ones that we have to throw away. Again, plastic straws are very bad for the environment. It's better to opt for the paper straws if you find these available rather than the plastic ones if necessary. But the best are the metal ones that you can buy and reuse. Then there's large garbage bags. Instead of using these ones, it's better to get the environmentally degradable garbage bags which are available in supermarkets now. These help the environment a lot better than the other ones. Thank you for watching. Tune in again next week for more content on everyday things you can do to save the planet. For now, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.